So, rewind. Intro.
This day, please, please, please. Hey, it's
So, had breakfast, did social media work, and started planning this episode. Go away, I'm planning the vlog. Then I went to school. I hate school. But that's not what this episode is about. This is
filming.
But more specifically, the core of filmmaking.
Stories.
But before I get started, lunch. Or late lunch.
Lunch.
Why can't we have some meat?
And I'm back.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
So a story is the heart and core of any film. Without it, there is no film. So you have to prioritize the story, but the problem is many people screw this part up. Myself included, but I have reduced that drastically. Now in this episode, I want to teach all of you everything I have learned about storytelling in film. So 3, 2, 1... So the first thing everyone needs to know is story structure. Story structure is vital. The most common form of it is the 3-act structure, but contrary to common belief, that's not the only form. For example, Batman Begins has a 4-act structure. You'll see that in the film, I noticed it. You can learn about that in this video. I'll link it in the cards above. I didn't make it. A very talented filmmaker and YouTuber did create that video, so make sure to go check it out. Very nice and fun and entertaining and well crafted. But anyways, let's focus on the basics. So, in a 3-act structure, you will find 3 acts. Surprise.
That is the rule of a 3-act narrative. You've got a beginning, you've got a middle, you've got an end. Setup, conflict, resolution.
If you're making a vlog style video, then here's how to apply it. First, establish the story. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. It can be something like you need to buy Christmas presents for your friends and family. Now, your character has a need, a goal. Without this, the audience has no incentive to continue watching. This is absolutely vital. Now, just this alone, which I have already established, is very boring. So, you proceed to add things like a ticking clock, meaning the task has to be completed by a certain time, which is very sort of famous in the Mission Impossible films, where they have a certain kind of time period, or their entire mission is going to get screwed up. Now, let's say we have to get all the presents at least a week before Christmas so they don't sell out. And here comes the tension play, which is very important to create engagement and have the audience just sort of engaged and on their toes while watching your film. And this part is to have a block or an issue. In this case, everyone you're buying gifts for lives in your house, and you have to use their Amazon account to buy the gifts.
Oh shit.
Which, creates a lot of weird stuff, and that's when the excitement and interestingness of this film comes in. There's a lot of jokes you can play on this, a lot of weird things and knickknacks you can add, and a lot of content or just substance that can be brought out of that piece of tension, and that tension needs to be dragged and stretched along the entire film. Now you see, this talk wasn't all random, because...
And right now, the attention of the world.
Yep, Gary V podcast, but anyways guys. So let's get first purchase down. I'm hoping none of this is going to be stuff that is for me, because that would be pretty depressing, ruining that stuff before Christmas. But you see, because of my sheer intelligence, I decided to use this kind of sheer thing on top of my box, and it worked. You know how legendary that is? Now I'm just thinking, there isn't that much left, is there? There is one, oh yeah, there's one thing like that. Yep, this is it. That's the one thing for my dad. Now I get why it was in such a big box. So now you know the most important thing in filmmaking. But a bonus tip is don't overthink it. I think this video makes people try and force it into their content and films and things like that. Definitely do not do that. It should come naturally, and over time you'll develop this sense of, I gotta keep to that 3-act story structure or that 4-act story structure. But I have to have a well-told story at the heart of this film. And that's what you should have every single time you make a film or a video, whatever. So that pretty much ends this vlog episode. Now this does seem very much different to my normal vlogs. Hopefully you did enjoy it. I really loved making this one. It was just something, new ideas, new something. It just refreshes the mind and just gives me something very new and interesting to just embark on and create. If you did enjoy it, then make sure to drop a comment down below or smash the like button and subscribe. And you know, these notifiers just help me. Because if you enjoy it and I enjoy it, then kaboom, I'm gonna make more of it. Anyways, I don't have any sponsors on this episode, so I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully the JK Show will be back and running, the podcast will be back and running. But anyways, I'll see you tomorrow on the daily vlog. Because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.